Guys, good day everyone. I'm here with another massive one. This one is something that is going to blow your minds, okay? And it's something that probably most of you know, but you don't know how to utilize it. Okay, so I woke up this morning and one of my members, one of those who are in my community, my support group for Amazon KDP beginners. Okay, so he asked me a question, and this is the question. Okay, so he asked me, in summary, what he's trying to say is that he has actually been finding it hard to get profitable to get topics to write on his niche. So he's into travel guide niche, and he has been having issues getting topics to write on. So that means he has run out of topics and he finds it hard to get topics to write on. So wow. And I know that so many of you who are into the travel guide or who are into other niches also find it hard getting topics to write on. Okay, so I know I've done a video on how to do keyword research, that's aside. So I want to show you how you can get unlimited topics to write on. Sorry I'm saying unlimited topics, but it will blow your mind. Okay, so you can get as much as 100 topics to write on. You can get so many topics to write on under the travel guide, you would not even exhaust them. So I actually showed him this method and he's like, wow. Okay, so I showed other members in my community group and they were like, wow. So I said, no, there are other people who don't know about ways to get these topics. Okay, so I want to show you how we can get about 100 topics with just this simple trick. And this trick is something that you know. Okay, so I'm going to show you two different ways to actually get topics. Okay, but the second one will actually blow your mind. So if this is one you're interested in and this is what you like to know, please sit tight as I explain everything to you. And most importantly, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so you always get good updates like this. Okay, so let's dive right in. Now this is the first one. Okay, so you can also do this with your PC. I'm using my smartphone. Okay, so this is the first method. Now the first method is you should go to extensions on your Kiwi browser or whatever browser you're using. Go to your store, web store. Okay, you can just search Chrome web store on whatever browser you're using, and you have to look for these two. This is the first method. I know some of us know these two, but for those who don't know, look for Titan Pro. Okay, so this is an Amazon keyword research tool that will actually help you. So you can see that I've installed it here. So what you have to do is, you can see that it's telling me remove from Chrome because I've installed it. So what you have to do is, it will show you add to Chrome, then you add it to Chrome. Now I want to show you how this can help you and change the game for you. Okay, so now what you have to do is this. You can come to amazon.com. Now when you go to amazon.com, you see this site. Now this is what this tool does for you. If I come to this part, this keyword, first of all I have to change this to books. Okay, because I want my results to be just from books. Okay, so you can change it to Kindles. Okay, so if I travel guide here, aside this AMZ suggestion expander, this Titan Pro does something else for me. Okay, so if I type travel guide, this is what you actually notice. It's loading. Okay, so this is what it's going to do. Okay, sorry, let me try that again. So just travel guide and don't do anything. Just don't do anything. You're going to see the suggestions now. It's going to pop up and then you can see the results that it's going to generate for us. Okay, this is massive, guys. It's massive, guys. So let me wait for this to load. Yeah, you can see now. You can see. So this is what Titan Pro does for you. When you type in this travel guide, you can see so many suggestions. So you can see all these are suggestions related to the keyword you've inputted. Okay, so you can see Italy travel guide 2024, travel guide books, travel guide to Spain, for those Italy travel guide and all this. So you can Portugal travel guide. So you can use this to generate other topics to write on. Okay, get a clue of what people are searching for. Okay, so what it does for you here, it has just shown you other topics that people are searching for related to your keywords. Okay, so I've just typed travel guide and you can see so many searches. So if I come here and type travel guide to Switzerland, and it will give me other suggestions too. Okay, so this is one of the two, but don't go anywhere first. Now, this is just one of it. The second one is going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you how to use this tool that you have been using since and you've not discovered ways to use it to generate so many profitable keywords for yourself. Okay, so these are not just profitable keywords that you can use it to generate for yourself. So let's dive right into the next another method you can use to generate profitable keywords. This is just one of them. Okay, so guys, what's the second method? Now, this is the second method. Okay, so I know you want to know the second method. Now, the second method is using this tool you call ChatGPT 4. I don't know about ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 4 has just been released, so it's going to blow your mind. Okay, so if you want me to do a video on this ChatGPT 4, you can just comment on the comment section, drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do a video on it. One thing about people is that so many people don't know how to input prompts into this ChatGPT, and therefore they don't get results. Okay, so this was actually what I did. Now, I came here today. I said, I need your assistance. I am an independent publisher on Amazon KDP. I publish books on travel guide. That's my niche. However, I seem to find it hard discovering profitable keywords to write on, as I've exhausted the ones I have. Okay, so I actually told you now that I want you to help me provide about 50 profitable topics that are untapped and have low competition. Okay, so which have huge chances of me making sales in them. Please do well to niche down and consider things like the BSR, niche score, results, and high demand for these topics. So if you want these prompts, you can just drop a comment on the comment section. I'm going to provide the prompts for you. Okay, so now you can see, and it gave me so many results. LGBTQ, cultural, blah blah blah, and you can see the result. But that's not that yet. I still want to blow your mind. Okay, so I still had to niche down, and I still had to tell you that, wow, I haven't thought about such ideas before. This is beautiful. Can you help me generate topics for spiritual retreats in South America? Okay, I said, remember, low competition and huge demand for these keywords in the topics. Okay, so you can see it generated me. This is over, because I told you 50, so you have to generate over 50. Now, the next thing you have to do is actually dropped a video. I've actually done a video on how to do keyword research. So you can pick these keywords. For instance, you can pick the meditation retreats in the Sacred Villa, Peru. You can pick that. Watch my keyword research video. The link is going to be up here. Okay, so watch the video and know how you can do keyword research to know if this is going to be profitable for you. Okay, so even ChatGPT is going to tell you at the end that you should search and make sure that these keywords, these topics are profitable. So I've actually done a video on how you can know keywords that are profitable, so that you don't just pick a keyword and write on it without making any sales, and tomorrow you say, he didn't make any sales because he did not do proper keyword research. Proper keyword research is very, very vital and important. So you can see I was able to get about 50. You can see Sacred Water retreats in. These are so many. So after exhausting this, I can still go on and tell you that, okay, let it now provide keywords, provide other ones for me, local markets in Mexico, and I just explore it. Okay, it's going to provide so many for you. So this is how you can get so many topics, and you can also do this in any other niche you're in. So all you have to do is just change this prompt from travel guide to whatever niche you are in. Okay, if it's the cookbook, fine, you can just get, and you're going to provide you with results. Okay, so this is massive, guys. This is massive. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Most importantly, like this video. Okay, like this video so that others too can get access to this. That's the only thing I ask from you. And also, please subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop important information like this, you can always get access to it. Okay, because just so many information I have for you guys, so many, but I'm going to be dropping them soon. So thanks, guys.